Hello, in this video I am going to show you that how you can check your graphic card details on Windows 10. If you are curious about your graphic card or you want to check your specs of your system, you want to upgrade your system, so that's very easy. To check in-depth detail of your graphic card on Windows 10, we use Windows DirectX Diagnostic Tool. So let's move. First of all, press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Here is the Run tab on your computer, and right here dxdiag from keyboard and click on OK. Here is the DirectX Diagnostic Tool. Now navigate to Display tab from the top. Now here is all information about your graphic card name, manufacturer, and memory of your graphic card, driver, version, which version you are using. That's all about your graphic card. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.